We have a program that we have been using in America to help people to make a diet change. It's called the Kickstart. In fact, we call it the 21-day vegan Kickstart. And the idea is for 3 weeks, every day, you get an email that you open it up, and there is a cooking video and menus and recipes to guide you through the day. And the next day, another one, and another one, and another one. And during this time, we ask everyone to set the animal products aside and focus on plant foods. And at first, people are a little unsure what to eat, but that's why we give you videos and menus and recipes. And it's very, very easy. And the program is in English, Spanish, Mandarin, and we have another program for people from India with all Indian recipes. And it's lots of fun. About 600,000 people have done this program, and I'd love for you to join us too.